If you have existing contacts you want to send messages to, you'll need to upload their details into Whispir first. In this video, we'll explain the 5 potential methods for doing so. The first way to upload your contacts is to manually enter them. This is a straightforward method, but it can be time-consuming if you have a lot of contacts. To manually enter your contacts, simply select New Contact under the Contact Management heading and enter the details of your contact. This method is good if you don't have many contacts to add and if their information rarely or never changes. This method also gives you full control over how much contact information you add, as the only required fields are contact's name, email, and mobile. The second way to upload your contacts is by importing a list. This method allows you to import hundreds or even thousands of contacts in a quick and easy way. All you have to do is select Import Contacts under the Contact Management heading. From there, download the CSV template file. Then, copy all the contact information you have, making sure it fits in the format of the template. When you're done, re-upload your list to the Whispir platform. You'll see an option to do so on the same screen where you downloaded the template form. The other 3 ways of uploading your contacts require some help from the Whispir team. Let's look at each one so you can decide if any of them are right for you. Contact Sync is a popular option for Whispir users. It allows you to integrate an existing third-party system, such as a CRM or HR database, with the Whispir platform. Once it's set up by our team, you'll be able to run this sync as often as you'd like to make sure the contact information stored in Whispir stays up to date with your contact system. Our REST API option allows you to integrate seamlessly with a third-party software, but effectively keeps contact information up to date in real time. This method requires developer expertise, so it's best if you have access to devs who can help you. If you want to explore this option, we can provide your developer everything they need to get going. Finally, our contact portal is where we create a web portal for you where contact information can be added, managed, and stored. This is a great option if you want external stakeholders to access your contact information. For example, if you want to allow your own customers to add and edit their contact details themselves. Now that you know the different ways to upload your contacts, you're ready to get started. Either manually start uploading contacts, import them using our template CSV file, or reach out to our support team to discuss our other solutions. And if you need help or have any questions, please feel free to contact our friendly support team or check out our help articles.